Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got these solid brass quick connects. Plus I got a sprayer here, a hose nozzle. So I wanted to show you guys how it kind of works. And so let me grab the end of my hose right here and show you. So I'll open this up, the quick connect here, and show you what they look like. So it comes with two different sets of them, but I'll just show you one. And it comes with the O-rings for it if you need, and then instructions. So let me show you first what they look like and how they kind of work. So these are always super nice to have because it makes it so easy to to use the stuff in your yard. So it's as simple as this right here. You can put this on you could twist this where you need and then twist this where you need it, and then all you do to put them together is pull this back, pump it in there, and then it's connected. And then when you're ready to take it out, you just pull it. So let me show you guys how it works here. So I'm gonna put this side onto my hose itself here. So I have this side on my hose here, and then this side I'm going to put onto my hose nozzle. So I want to show you guys this one at the same time too, because this is perfect. So this also comes with, it comes with the hose nozzle itself, it comes with the instructions for it, and then it also comes with the O-rings if you want those as well. So let me unbox this here and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the nozzle, this thing is heavy duty, that's for sure. Oh man, super heavy duty. It has here on the side where you can put it to a lot or a little or more or less. And then you can also switch between all the different types here with this hose head. So what I'm gonna do with this end here is I just twist it into the bottom here, and now it's all ready. So now when I want, all I have to do is say I just wanna use my hose and spray it, I can just spray it, or if I'm ready to plug it in, I just push it in, and then there we go. So let me turn on the water and I'll show you guys kind of how it sprays here. And then I'm going to switch back. So there we go. So, oh, I didn't twist that on well enough. Woo! Okay, so that's what the hose is just by itself. And then when I'm ready for it, all I do is, well, you want to turn it off sort of, but I'll just clink it. But you just pop that in there and then push it down, and then there we go. Now it's hooked up onto there too. So that's super easy. And then when I'm ready for this, I push this down and then it sprays, and I can switch between all the different nozzles here. There's that one, there's that. I mean, this is the little mister one. So this is perfect. All you do is just pull it off, and then we're good, and I can put that wherever I want, and now I got my normal hose. So these are super helpful. Let me turn off the water. But as you can see there, these are sweet. I mean, it makes it super easy. So if you have a bunch of different heads, you could buy a bunch of these quick connectors and then pop in whichever head you want. And I didn't use the O-rings yet because I'm just in the demonstration, but what I'll use is I would put them on there and make sure it's actually sealed tight. And then that'll be super, and then all it is, because the part that was leaking wasn't this part, it's the connections. So the connections, you just put the O-ring around it and then it won't leak at all. So this is perfect. I like this. And this nozzle is perfect to use for whatever you need, and it's sturdy. Plus the quick connects with it make it super easy. So I like all of these, and I'm gonna give them all a thumbs up.